Hi everyone, welcome to this session where I'll give you the solution for the exercise one, which is related to the print function, format function, length and padding in Python. So the very first task that I have given you is how to print I love Python programming. So you have to write print in small letters and you have to copy and paste this inside the print function, and you can see I love Python programming. After that, how do you print data science? So instead of this, I will simply change this I love Python programming with data science with Python is very simple. Okay, this is also done. Now what I have said, assign a variable. I'll say string one. The question is assign this string data science with Python is very simple to a variable and then print it. So I'll say this and then I'll say print. So you can say this is also getting printed easily. Now the next question is, how do you concatenate the string like my machine learning with Python? So it will be very simple. Print, take the strings, comma Python. After this, how to get the length of this string? So this is very simple. You have to use Python length function. Okay, this is the length is 16 bytes. Now after that, I have said that I want to add 30 special characters like $0 before and after machine learning, right? So for that, I will say format. I want to add 30 special characters before and after machine like here it will be before machine learning. The length of machine learning is how much? 16, and this is 30. So total it's how much? 46. So I will copy this machine learning, comma, quotes, because it is before. I'll give less than sign, and then before that I'll give dollar followed by how much? 46. So out of this 46, 16 is the length of machine learning, and before that this $30 sign will be printed. So this is actually the opposite. You have to give this symbol. So you can see the dollar sign is printed, and similarly if you just change this, now dollar sign will be printed after machine learning. So this is also taken care of. Now in the exercise number 6, just replace this values by spaces. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll copy these two, paste here, and here just will remove this dollar symbol. Okay, now what will happen? You can see here, right? This value here, it was initially dollars, now it is replaced by spaces, and this also, now spaces will be at the end here, machine learning followed by the spaces. After this, how do I display below? Like $7 followed by machine learning and again $7. So first of all, we'll say format. Okay, format machine learning. Then if you want to give dollars, so first of all you count the length. This machine learning is how much? 16, and then $7 at the front and $7 at the end. Okay, so 7 plus 7 plus 16 is 30. So you give here dollars and this caret symbol, where is it? And then you give 30. Now execute this. So this is how you can give the dollar symbol, a special character at the end and at the beginning. So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and also please suggest if you have any suggestion for this video and my upcoming videos also. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.